Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. What we are doing is daily practice to improve our communication skills. From last video, I am saying that communication means not speaking. Most of the people have confusion that communication, English communication means we should communicate, we should speak in English properly. But that doesn't mean only speaking. That also means our behavior, the way we behave, the way our body language is, the way we write, the way we listen, how much interest we are showing that when we are listening something. Our listening skills, writing skills, reading skills, and our body language is also a communication. Because if you are saying you are speaking something to somebody, then he may also reply. For that, we have to listen it properly. Also, we should show interest to him so that he can express himself. So once we do all the things, that all will be help. So today I am mainly speaking about the writing skills, because I think that some years ago, maybe that 30 to 40 years or 50 years ago, people are more stressed. People giving more stress on writing. They used to write letters, they used to write more longer books, and written communication is very important at that moment. Because at that moment, the phone is not available, the TV is that much not available. So the written communication is really helpful to communicate other people. But nowadays, that thing is getting disappeared. People are very easily available on digital way. People can talk with each other. People can speak with each other by video calling, by phone. So they are avoiding structured writing. They are doing writing if that is required, but they are avoiding structured writing. But one thing which is missing due to that is our ability to think. When we write something in a very structured way, our ability to thinking is improving. But if we are not writing it, if we are just speaking anything what we want and do not do it in structured manner, then our thinking ability is getting decreased. For communication, effective communication, we need to have a very good thinking ability. Because if you have in stage, if you have to speak something to public, they can also, if you are prepared for some content, people can disturb you. They can ask some different questions which you are not prepared. But if your thinking ability is very strong, then you can influence them, you can answer them in a particular way. For that, we have to practice writing. We can practice long writing in LinkedIn also. LinkedIn is a very good social media where we can able to influence people by long writing. Yes, there also you can make video, but I would prefer that we should make video in YouTube and we should make long writing in LinkedIn. But because people read at that area, particularly that social media, people like to read. Yes, they will watch your video, but it will really work if you write at that place with a very structured manner. If you write in a very structured manner, your thinking habit will improve and people will be very much influenced through your communication. That communication is not speaking communication, that is written communication, and that really works. So try it. So practice daily. Daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will boost your confidence. Thanks for watching.